In this video, I will be showing you how to use Uber Pro Card rewards. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. The Uber Pro Card comes with a rewards program designed specifically to help Uber drivers save money on everyday expenses like fuel, EV charging, maintenance, groceries, and more. But many drivers don't fully understand how to activate, track, or redeem these rewards. So this video will break it all down in a simple step-by-step way. Once your Uber Pro card is activated, your rewards automatically start working in the background. You don't need to manually turn anything on. The rewards you earn are based on your Uber Pro tier, your location, and the types of purchases you make. For example, drivers can earn cash back on gas purchases at participating stations, get enhanced rewards for using EV chargers, and even earn cash back on car washes, oil changes, or certain restaurants. The exact percentage varies, but the card is designed to help reduce common driving expenses. To use the rewards, simply pay with your Uber Pro card at eligible locations. As long as the card is used for the purchase, rewards will be tracked automatically. You can see your rewards inside the Uber driver app by going to Wallet, Uber Pro Card, Rewards. Here, you'll see cashback totals, recent transactions, and how much money you've saved over time. Cashback earned from the Uber Pro card doesn't require any manual redemption. It's automatically added back to your card balance, usually within a few days. This makes it different from points-based reward systems. You're receiving real cash that you can spend instantly. Whether you're filling up your tank, grabbing food during a shift, or paying for car maintenance, the rewards go straight back into your account. Some tiers also offer boosted rewards depending on your Uber Pro status. Higher tiers can unlock better gas discounts, improved cashback, or exclusive savings. Keeping your driver rating high and maintaining your tier can help you get the most out of your rewards. Overall, using Uber Pro Card rewards is extremely simple. Pay with the card, let the cashback accumulate, and enjoy automatic savings. If you drive regularly, these rewards can add up quickly and make a noticeable difference in your weekly earnings.